Benefits of using Snail gel in skincare. Benefits: moisturizes, hydrates and nourishes dry skin. Soothes inflammation. Helps to repair damaged tissue. Can help with stretch marks, rosacea, scars, burns and flat warts. Stimulates the production of collagen and elastin to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Protects skin from free radicals. Helps fade acne scars and dark spots. Helps to brighten and clear skin. Petitfee, Gold and Snail Hydrogel Eye Patch Review. Description: Gold, soothing, keep the pure skin. Snail slime extracts, firming, healthy skin. Gold and snail slime extract penetrate into skin rapidly and help to make your skin firming, healthy, and glowing complexion. How to use: cleansing, toner, applying the patch, 20 to 30 minutes, remove. Warnings: for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Stop using if signs of irritation, itchy or rash appear. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.